this demo is to demo the phone app, yeah, the phone app, yeah. This demo is continue from previous demo of 20 transaction and 20 item of data. So previously I have 20 transaction and 20 data. On the previous demo, I have 20 transaction, yeah, which is stored in here, 20 transaction, and I have 20 data, okay, 20 data in here, 20 data, 21 along with the auto reset item. So it's a 20 data. So this demo, we will demo how to use the phone app. Now on this demo, there are only 6 steps, okay. First of all, you need to install your Android app, the Android app to your Android phone with this link. This link will bring you to here, okay, bring you to here, yeah, where you can install the CSS application to your handphone. Now after you install, then you come to here, there's an icon like this, CSS. Just click on this one, then your application will start. Then just click this CSS login, then you are ready to log in on the handphone. Now before you can log in, 2 more steps need to be done. First is your computer must register. You must register your POS software and obtain 2 information. One is your SN and second one is the PIN number. Now in my POS software in here, now I have already registered with this number, and this is my PIN number, which will be given by the seller of the software. Then when you obtain these 2 numbers, then you can register your POS software. Now after you register your software will look like this, yeah. You have a SN on here indicating your SN number, okay, then indicated that your software is ready to go. Now the next step is this, you need to turn on the online switch, and then after that you can start do your other business, do sell, do input data, whatever. The online switch is this particular D. Click, if it's online, it become a D, green D. Green D means that this is online already. If it's not green, mean that he cannot get online. So when you click this D is green, is online. After this online, then you can do your sell, your other transaction. This one will do his job by himself. He will upload data by himself. We don't have to do anything about it. So we can just do sell, do our inventory, any other thing we need to do, okay. Now after this D is online, now you can go for your phone, yeah. Wait for half an hour, then you can start login, yeah. Login. So I start login now using my SN and my PIN number. Now to start login, I click in here now. Previously I have logged in already. If you have not logged in, just key in this number, key in exactly, yeah. This number 102 mean 500, and then the PIN number cannot be wrong, yeah, have to be exactly. Then the user is system, and the password is 1, 2, and 3, yeah. No space behind, no space in front, yeah. So exactly the particular information being keyed in here. After you key in, then you can click this login. Now the information is keyed in already. Now I click this login. Click, okay. Now up to this stage, your system is ready, yeah. Your handphone system is ready. Now you can start read the stock or the report on sale. Now I'm going to read my report on sale, yeah. I back to my POS program here. I check my sale information, yeah. Sale information on the date of May 3rd, yeah. May 3rd, I have 20 transactions, and this is my total sale. So now I come to the handphone. I want to read the same information, yeah. I want to read the same information. Now I want to start reading my sale on May 3rd, yeah. So I click on this here, report on sale, and here is the date, the range date of data we can key in. In here we need to select May 3rd, yeah. So we can just change the date to May 3rd. First one I change, okay, and second one I also change May 3rd. After I change then I get, then you can see the data show up in here. Now I just want to check the data, yeah, show the summary in this button, click. You can see that you have a 60154 and we are 60154, which is our total collection. Our profit is 193.04. In here our profit is 193.04. So the data is matching, data is matching. Profit margin is 47%. In here is 47.26%. Indication that 20 transaction, 50 item, 20 transaction, 50 item. So our sales report is correct at this time. Next, I want to read the detailed item sale. Detailed item sale. We still in this 20 transaction. Okay, 20 transaction. Then I click this D, the small D right here. Then he will load detailed item sale. First view is view all data view. Second view is view sum. It's a view sum. You can see that I click view sum now. You can see the first item I sold. Okay, I sold 6 items with the price of 7. 6 items sold with the price of 7. Now I'm going to check my POS software. Is this correct or not? Now I back to my POS. I come to this detail. I have in process. Yeah, I want to check is it my first item sold. Is this 7? Is this a 6 item or not? Okay, on the view sum view. On the view sum view. So you can go to the process, view sum, check the first 6 items sold on this price. It's the same as a phone. Yeah, same in the phone, indicated that 6 items being sold at the price of 7. So we can see that our phone and the POS software is connected, synchronized in the data. Next, we come to this step, read stock level. Read stock level. So in my phone, I just exit. I come to here. I go to the stock level right here. Then wait for it load. Then I see the first item is this. I have current quantity of 19. Now in my POS program, I also same exit again, go for the inventory. I want to see that my first item is this. I have quantity of 19, same as in my phone indicating. My phone also indicating there is 19 quantity on this item. In my POS software also the same. Okay, that's all for this phone app demonstration. If you have questions or challenge, you can contact me. We can do online challenging for your data. Okay, thank you.